Hi guys, it's me Ryan. Welcome back to another video. We got another Dragon, the MSI Delta 15.6 inch gaming laptop. And this particular one that we have right here has the Ryzen R7 5800H processor that can go up to 4.4 GHz. And for the GPU, that we have the Radeon RX6700M, 10 GB of VRAM. And for the memory, we got 16 GB DDR4, 3200 MHz, dual channel. And the storage, we have 1 TB of M2 SSD. And now guys, I have to be the Dragon Slayer. A box inside another box. And now look at this guy. It's not a dragon anymore. It's a chicken or phoenix or whatever that is. Let's take a look around the box. True gaming. And then we got our chicken logo. And on the side, we have the specs of this laptop. Nothing more. That is pretty much everything for this box. Let's open it, shall we? I say we shall. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. And this one looks very small, but let's take a look at what we have inside this box. And here we have the power cable. And then we have the power brick. Let's see what we have in there. We are here to help. Recover function key and more menus and quick guide. And now let's take this bad boy out. The bag is really cheap. They didn't use the anti-static bag. It's just a plastic bag. Let's take out this part. And the first impression is really cool. Little 15-inch laptop. You can carry around this for no problem. It's really light, not heavy. And you can put it in any bags. And I like this finishing, which is the magnesium. It looks really cool. It's a really slim looking. It's not bulky. It's very good to carry around. And size-wise, this laptop measured about 14 inch in length and about 10 inch in width. And this laptop is not thick at all. It's only 0.6 or 7. And like I say, it's really light. It only weighs 4 pounds and 6.6 ounces. So at the front of the laptop, you got this really nice magnesium finishing. And also at this top right corner, you have this really cool logo, which looks like a phoenix or eagle. On the front of the laptop, I don't see anything that's special, except this little tap thing. I think it's easier for you to open the lid. So on the left side of the laptop, we have a charging indicator light, an audio port, and USB, a USB Type-C, and then power, and also an outtake fan. Oh, I just noticed something really cool. The connector with the display has this little logo on there too, the Phoenix. And on the right side of the laptop, we have a USB and USB Type-C. Also, you can use this as display port and an HDMI and another outtake fan. And here's the lock. So on the both sides of the connector, you have this really cool Phoenix logo. And on the back of the laptop, it's really nothing really special either. It's very simple. It's just 2 outtake fan. And the size of each is different too. The one on the right, it's about 3.6. And the one on the left, it's only about 2 inch. Now let's take a look at the bottom of the laptop. We got a lot of intake vents. So this is gonna be awesome. A lot of air is gonna go in there. Seems like this laptop is gonna be pretty cool. And then we have 2 huge non-slippery rubber, both on the front and the back. And there's one in the middle and 2 small ones on the side. So it won't go anywhere on your desktop. And seems like we have our speakers at the bottom too. One on the left and one on the right. And now guys, let's take a look what's inside of this Phoenix. And to get access to the inside of the laptop, we need to remove 13 screws total. There's 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And now let's just pop it open. There we go. Let's take a look at what we have here. So 80.25 watt hours. I say that is pretty insane in a 15-inch laptop. So seems like everything is protected by this plastic. You guys can see we have two fans, one on the right and one on the left. And let's take a look behind this plastic. And guys, after I remove this, I'm impressed. This is the back of the motherboard. So all the components, the CPU and the GPU, the RAM, the SSD card, everything is in there. So it's very hard to get access to it. It's just like an X15, man. It's super hard to upgrade. But one thing is pretty easy to upgrade. It's our Wi-Fi card. And then we got one speakers here, another speakers here. Well, I'm impressed. And now let's put back the cover and open the lid. Let's get it open. Look at this little bad boy. As you guys can see, the lid quality is really good because we just open it with one hand. And also this little tab holder on here is really helpful when you open the lid. And if you tap on it, it's a little wobbly, but I don't think you're gonna tap it while playing your video games. I think it's a little tighter than I expect, but it's very smooth. And also, we got this little nice cloth too. It has a dragon logo on there. But is this supposed to be a Phoenix? That would be pretty cool, huh? And the monitor that we have right here is 1080p, 15.6 inch, and 240 Hz. And for a 15-inch gaming laptop, these specs is really sweet. You got a quality, also you got a speed, and 240 Hz is well enough for most of the games. Unless you are a really competitive gamer, 240 is well beyond enough. And the keyboard that we have right here is RGB backlight, and it's not full size, of course. We don't have a number keypad, but most of the function is on this little keyboard. Typing experience is not that great since it's really tight in space. If you have a bigger fingers, that you might hit other keys that you wouldn't want to. And the touchpad is really smooth and feel really nice. Sounds nice too. But the problem is, as you guys can see, it is not in the middle of the spacebar. So our hands are gonna keep touching that touchpad. And this whole panel is a vent. So we got some air going out over here, or the heat, which is gonna keep the laptop cool. And also we got our 720p webcam. And now guys, let's connect the power and turn on this Phoenix for the first time. Lights awake the Phoenix. Look this RGB keyboard and the Phoenix. The RGB lighting on this keyboard is not really impressive, but it's bright enough to see in the dark room. So the Phoenix on the cover is not lighted up, of course, and there's no other RGB lighting source. And I really wish they can have this Phoenix at the side of the laptop has RGB lighting. That will be really cool. So nothing really that special when it turns out, but it is definitely pretty quiet. And let's see how it does in gaming. And feel free to leave the comment below of what games you would like to see on this Delta 15-inch laptop. And now let me go ahead and set it up, and I'll see you in a little bit. Alright guys, here we have it in Cyberpunk. Everything on Ultra. We are getting 50-ish FPS. Temperature looks pretty good on both GPU and CPU. And I'm pretty impressed, man, on this little 15-inch. Let's see how it goes in battle. Let's just play for a while, see if the temperature will rise. The CPU temperature is kind of rise by a little bit, but other than that, it is very good. And then I don't feel the heat on the laptop. And the noise level is also impressive. Let me show you guys the noise level. And let's bring down the quality to low, see what happens. And after a little while, the temperature on the CPU does increase, but the GPU temperature is great. Like I say guys, this is really good. You can feel the heat coming from this side, all the way from here to here. It's only the middle part gets a little hot. I guess that's the CPU. Other than that, this is really good, man. Overall guys, I think this is a really good 15-inch gaming laptop, both on the performance, temperature, and noise level. I'm gonna do more gameplay videos on this and to test it more. So if you have some particular games that you would like to see on this Delta, feel free to leave the comment below. And now guys, let's go to the Video League giveaway. But this one, we got 72 people in the pool, guys. And now, let's see who is the lucky fish. Congratulations, Nehemiah G-Pie. Woohoo! And for the rest of you guys, don't be sad, you might be the next winner. All you need to do is like the video, subscribe the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss anything. And also leave the comment in my most recent video, and you might be the next winner. I'll see you there! Alright guys, so that is pretty much everything for this video. And I hope I help you to make the decision to get your awesome laptop. And make sure to stay tuned for more videos for this laptop and also other gaming PCs. And thank you for watching, and as always, please be safe out there, and I'll see you in the next videos. Peace out. And the GPU, we got Radeon, Radeon. Dun 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 dun. I don't know what that's for.